Hello all. Today I am back with another interesting video, an SQL problem. So let's just see what the problem says, then we will jump into the solution. So today's problem is something related to it's very easy problem, I say. It can be solved in various multiple ways. Um, so let's just see what the problem states, then we will see. So the problem is we have been given an input table. The input table has just one record. It is like I have made it basically like just to show you the how it works. It's a demo purpose, you can say. So here is an input table, and the input table has only one record, which is nothing but the like interview. So I have taken only one value, which is interview. It's a string, and what you need to basically do is you need to create an output which will we need to break that string for each and every row. So it's basically like I have only one row here in the input table, and output I have broken it into multiple rows. So I have taken each and every word and broke it into multiple rows. So that is the intention that we are going to do. Okay. So this problem can be solved in various different ways. I will solve it using only one way. I will give there's nothing to give, so you can try it basically by your own and let me know how you have solved this problem. Okay, so let's just jump into this uh, coding editor. So this is our data, right? This is our data, and we need to break it, right? So you need to break it into various different rows. That is the intention. So how we are going to do that? So firstly we are going to do is we will uh, you know take the length of the string, right? Okay, so here I am going to do an approach. I'm going to use an approach which is nothing but the recursive CTE. Okay, so I will show you how recursive CTE works, so you will get an idea like how it works. So in various scenarios and various use cases also you can use it in future. Okay, so 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 I'm taking the the length of a string. Okay, so length of the string. So this is our length, right? Just take the length of a string, and I will put this into a city. Why I am doing it, I'll explain it later. Okay, so I'm just giving a name length string as I'm just putting it into a city. Okay, now, now, sorry. Okay, now we will use some kind of recursive city. So if I run this, if you see, if I run this, I'll be getting the length of a string, right? So now we will use the recursive city example. So, so I'm just writing a recursive CTE as, this is the syntax. And how, so what I'm going to do is I will create some kind of a row number, okay? Some kind of number which will have, which will be equal to the length of the string. So the highest value will be the length of the string. So we will start from 1 and we'll go till the length of the string. Okay, so this is our intention. So how we are going to do that? The syntax is select 1 as, you can say, sequence. Okay, and the next step is, let me write out in the code, then I will explain. Then select sequence plus 1 from recursive CTE. Okay, where, so till how long we need to go? We need to go till the length of the string. So where sequence less than select, length, select length from this city. Okay, length star. Okay, so let me explain this, then I will show you how this works. Okay, so what I have done is, so I have taken the length of the string, right? I have taken the length of the string. So in recursive CTE, how it works is, the first one is the base CTE, okay, and the next one is nothing but like whatever you want to do from the previous step. So how it works is, so think about it, that select one as sequence, so that is the first row will get generated, right? The first row will get generated. And the next, what I am giving union all. The syntax is like this that you need to follow. Blindly you need to follow. So select one as sequence. The first row will be one. Then union all. So I'm just appending the data, right? So I'm just appending the data with this particular row, right? So first row will be one. So how it works is this is one. So if I write it down here like so, one. First row will be one. Then there will be an union all. Then what I'm saying, sequence plus one. Add sequence plus one with this from recursive CTE. So it is a kind of a recursive call. Okay, so we are calling that CTE again and again, right? So with sequence plus one, that means this sequence value is now one because this is one for the first step, right? Now what I'm saying, select sequence plus one. So this sequence will be the previous row. I mean this row, one plus one. So it is two now, right? This is two now. So how it is happening is this sequence value it is coming from here, right? This is the first step. So when the recursive stage starts, this will be executed for the first time. Okay, the first time this will be executed. The next time I'm using a union all, then next row what will be having? It will be like sequence plus one. The previous row one, this is one plus one equals to two. This two. Then how the next row will be working? Then again select sequence plus one from the recursive series. The sequence plus one means this two plus one, right? So then three. So in that way it will be going on. Okay, this way it will be going on. So again 3 plus 1 4 from the recursive city. How long it will continue with sequence less than select length from length str. So it will be going till the length of the string. Okay, so if I run this, you'll be getting the sequence number. Okay, clear? So how this works is I am just telling you once again. So this will be executed for the first time. Then you are making an union all and select sequence plus one from the recursive CTE. So this sequence value will be from the previous row. So this is the previous row, it is 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 will be printed. Then again, this statement will be executed because this condition is not satisfied, right? Sorry, the condition is satisfied. Then again, this will again be executed. And this time, the sequence will be 2 plus 1, 3. So select 3. Then it will be 3, right? In this way, this will work. So I have got that, values, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So till that length of the string. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, so we have, if you see, we have this value, right? Interview, right? So in the table, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to join, this table, this str table with this recursive CTE table. Okay, and I'm just going to take star. So it's like a join. It's a Cartesian join, right? Cartesian product. So if I execute this, so if you see all the values, right? All the values with the string is coming. Okay. So now this is pretty simple. What I need to do is the next step, instead of star, use string function. Okay. Substring, then string. The first argument will be the string. Next argument will be the sequence, right? And next will be 1. So what I'm saying, take the sequence value, then comma 1. So just break that, string with first argument will be sequence and next will be 1. So if you see from the first argument, from the first row, what will be coming? Substring string 1 comma 1, then it will be I. Next time onwards, 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 1. Okay, it's string, right? It is 2 comma 1, right? Then it will be n. Okay, now the third row it will be t because 3 comma 1. So if I run this now and if I tell this is our output, right? This is our output. Okay, so if I run this now, so you'll be getting 𝗓𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏, right? So pretty simple. So you just need to understand how recursive CTE works, and with the help of the recursive CTE, we are now able to solve this problem. Okay, so this is fine. So I have another one. So it is like the reverse way of explaining, right? So this is the reverse way you need to print, right? So how you are going to do it? So this is your task. You just try to do this the similar way but at this time you need to print it reverse. Okay, so it will start from W and it will go till I. So I'm not going to solve it now. So it is your task to do it and post your solution in the comment section. If you want to know various type of questions, just send me the questions. I'll be able to solve it, and I'll try to solve and give it to back to you. Okay, so yeah, till then, thank you. Good night.